Hello ladies and gentlemen, so in this video we are going to discuss the solution of infix conversion. So in this question we are having a string and I have to convert this string into the prefix and postfix. So let's get started. Suppose that we are having a string something like this, b minus d divide e, something like this. So in this question we are going to have three stacks. One is for pre, another is for post, and another will be operator stack. In the previous video, we are having two stacks for operand and operator. So if you haven't watched that video, go and watch that video first because that video will be the base for this video. Okay, so whenever the rules, because we already discussed the 4 rules in that video. So if you haven't watched that video till now, go and watch that video first. So the rules will gonna be same in this video as well. So whenever we are encountering A, I have to push pre and push A into the pre and post as well. Whenever we are encountering any operator or opening or closing bracket, then I have to push into the operator stack. Okay, now encountered opening bracket, push into the operator stack. B into the pre stack and post stack. Encountered minus, push into the operator stack. Then D, then division. So while pushing this operator, we know the rule number 3 in the previous video that we have discussed. Whenever we are pushing any operator into the stack, I have to check the precedence of the stack of the operator which is already in the top of the stack. Fine. If this operator has higher precedence than this operator, then I have to perform all the calculations, all the process, then I can push this operator. But this operator is not greater than this element. This operator has not higher precedence than this operator. Then I can simply push the divide into the stack. Then I can encounter E, and now we are having closing bracket. Whenever we are encountering closing bracket, I have to perform all the calculations till we does not encounter our opening bracket. So simply perform all the operations and we get our pre and post result. What will be the pre expression and post expression? Okay, so pre expressions are in which operator comes first, operator, operand 1, then operand 2. What are postfix operator expressions? Operand 1, operand 2, and then operator. So in this order we are going to evaluate. Okay, so if I talk about, I'm just giving a simple example because we are already discussed in the previous video about this. So now we encountered closing bracket. So pop the elements till we encountered opening bracket. Okay, popping these two elements from the pre-stack. And what is my operator? That is division. This is for pre-expression. And what will be the post-expression? D, E, divide. Now push the result back into the stack. Fine. Now pop the first. This is the first expression and this is the second expression. Now we are having minus. Okay, then put the minus symbol first as operator comes first in the pre. Operand 1. What is operand 1? B. What is operand 2? This one. What is operand 1 in post? B. Operand 2, D, E, divide, and our new operator, that is minus. Now push the result back into the stack. Minus B divide DE, B, D, E, divide minus. Now pop this minus symbol as well. Pop this opening bracket as well. We already discussed about all these rules in the previous video, so I am making it a very quick. Okay, now we are having multiplication only left in my. So what will be the answer? Operator, operand 1, that is A, and operand 2. For this multiplication, this whole will be the operand 2. Then minus b de. Fine. What about the post expression? A operand 2, that is b d a divide minus, and then operator is multiplication. Okay, push back the final result into this stack. The final result is multiplication a minus b d e and a b d e divide minus. So this is how we are getting our final answer. So let's try to code our code for better understanding. Okay. So initially, how many stacks we are going to have? We are going to have 3 stacks. Stack of integer. Sorry, stack of string. Prefix equals to new stack Another stack is for postfix. Another stack is for operator, and it will gonna be of character. Let's rename it as operator. Operators equals to new stack. Now what should I have to do? I have to traverse on my string. So what should I have to do? I have to write a for loop. For int I equals to 0, I should be less than what? As I'm storing my string in this exp variable. So exp dot length, and I list this. Inside this, what should I have to write? Now we have 4 conditions. What are that conditions? But before writing that conditions, I have to extract the first character now. So what should I have to write? Char ch equals to, just extract it from the exp variable. Exp dot char at I. Now I have to check this variable, that is ch. If ch equals to opening bracket, then I should have to do some work. Okay. Else if my ch is greater than equals to 0, I'm entering this, I'm making this for all the, either it is for 0 1 or it for small abcd, capital abcd. So therefore I'm checking all the conditions here, and ch is less than equals to 9, or, and even I can write this into a braces for better understanding. Okay, ch is greater than equals to small a, and ch is less than equals to small z, or ch is greater than equals to capital A, and ch is less than equals to capital Z. So in this condition, I have to do some work. Okay. So when I encountered opening bracket, what should I have to do? I have to push the character into the, in which stack? Operators stack. So operators dot push ch. Simple. This is what I have to do. Whenever I am encountering opening bracket, I simply have to push this into the operators stack. Okay. Whenever I'm encountering such digits, either 0 to 9, small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, what should I have to do? I simply have to put this into the pre and post stack. That means prefix dot push ch, prefix, not few weeks, and postfix dot push ch. Should I have to do something else? But I cannot push this directly as they are strings. So whenever we are pushing our strings, then I have to make it a string because our stack is of string type and ch is of character. So I cannot push the character directly into the string stack. Therefore, I have added empty string over here. Okay. Else, is there anything I have to do? Now our third condition will be else if. Whenever I'm encountering any operators, what should I have to do? I have to push it into the operator stack, but I have to check another condition. What is that condition? The precedence condition. So if ch equals to any operator, plus multiplication and division. Okay, so in this condition, I have to check. There will be a while loop while operators dot size is greater than 0 and operators dot peak is not equals to our opening bracket and precedence. Precedence of what? Precedence of ch should be less than equals to precedence of what? Precedence of whatever we are having on the top of the stack on operators stack. Operators dot peak. Okay, so what should I have to do in this case? I have to simply pop the operator from the operators stack, operators dot pop, and two operands from pre-stack and two operands from post-stack. So I can rename it as a string post val 2, post val 2 equals to postfix dot pop string post val 1 should be equals to what? Postfix dot pop. Now I'm having all the two operands from the post stack. I have to extract the two operands from the pre stack as well. Pre val 2 equals to prefix dot pop string pre val 1 equals to prefix dot pop now we are having our two operands. What should I have to do? I have to simply calculate my value. So what will be the my value? Simply I want to push my postfix dot push. What should I have to push? In postfix, the operator comes in the last. So post val 1 plus post val 2 plus operator. This is what I have to push in my postfix stack. And what should I have to push in my prefix stack? Prefix dot push pre-val 1 plus pre-val 2 plus, not plus, even operator comes first in prefix now. So operator plus pre-val 1 plus pre-val 2. This is what I have to push in my prefix stack and postfix stack. Should I something else I have to push? Okay, so after this while loop, I have to push the operator that I am having in the operators stack as well. Operators dot push. What push? CH. Okay, now we are left with our only one condition. What is that condition? Else if, now think about what is that last condition. Whenever I'm encountering closing bracket, okay, this is our last condition left. When I'm encountering closing bracket, what should I have to do? I have to pop the operators. That means I have to do the same work. That is, this while loop will gonna be the same. Control C and Control V. But here I don't need to check my precedence, so I can simply remove it. Okay, now we are done with our all the four conditions. What should I have to do? This for loop is ending over here. Okay, whenever I have to write another while loop for that as well. But whenever we are encountering this closing bracket now, after this I have to pop that opening bracket as well. So I am checking that if operators dot size is greater than 0, then simply pop, because I don't want that opening bracket remain into the stack. Operators dot pop. Okay, now we are done with this condition. After this for loop, we know that whenever we are having left elements, then I have to do something. Then while operators dot size, operators dot size is greater than 0, what should I have to do? I have to do the same work. Control C, Control V. Okay. After this while loop, I need to pop out my result. That is system.out.println, where these square brackets are coming. Println what? Postfix dot pop. Similarly with prefix dot pop. Okay, so before running this code, I forgot to write our precedence function. So let me write the precedence function as well. Public static int precedence. It is accepting only one parameter, that is char op. If op equals to plus or OP equals to subtraction. I have to return what? Return 1, else return 2, because they are on the both they are have saving, they both have same precedence. Therefore I'm returning 1, else return 2, because multiplication and division have higher precedence. So I think I'm done with my code. So let's try to run our code. Okay, there is some error. Error, cannot find symbol. Okay. On line number 16, int I equals to I should be less than exp dot length. Run it again. Now it is accepting our code. So let's try to submit our code. So it is accepting our code. So hope you like this video. Thank you.